eye is starting to water. But it did its job. That was on the high heat. Well, I'm more impressed with the side as compared to this. I was impressed initially with the side, and then all of a sudden I'm impressed more with the side. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to be trying out a method to curl your lashes. Now this do not try at home. So guys, fun fact, I have broken my lash curler and I just went onto YouTube and I was like, how do you curl your lashes without a curler? And the first thing that popped up was a hair dryer with mascara. So I watched the entire video and I'm going to see whether it actually works. So here I have my mascara that I'm going to put onto my lashes, and here I have my hair dryer that I'm going to be using. This is an old faithful, so excuse its condition. So here I'm just going to apply on some mascara. So what do you guys think? Is it going to work? Because I feel it's just going to smudge everywhere onto my face. Okay, so this is one large coat. I'm not going to do anything this side so we can see. Now I'm just going to put it on the lowest level and lowest heat. My eye is starting to water, but it did its job. That was on the high heat. Okay, so you know what? This thing does its job. Look at the difference. Whoa. Okay, this thing does its job, but I feel like I'm going to cry and ruin everything. Oh, Lord. Okay, let's try in a second coat. Ooh, that looks good. And whoa. I'm so surprised that this actually works, because have a look here and here. Like there's literally nothing on the side, and look at here how wow it looks. This is not something that you should be doing like all the time, but I think it's still, I invested in another eyelash curler which is going to be this weekend. So till then, if you want to try it out once and see it. What it does is it actually dries out your eyes, so that's the bad part about it, but other than that it's okay. So guys, on this side we actually tried it with hot air, so on this side now I'm going to try it with cool air. And now I am switching it up from hot to cold, and I'm gonna go in with the first level. Okay, let's try it with a second coat. And now let's go with the lowest one and the fullest. This side actually came out better than that side. If you look, it's all the way up. Okay, it's kind of messy still, but it's all the way up. So I'm actually shocked that this actually worked. On a serious note, I think you should try it more with the colder air rather than the warm air, because the warm air actually dries out the eye. If you see this eye, it's more dry as compared to this one. Like I was struggling for a little bit to get to open and close it until like the fluid started to form again in my eye. So I think you should be careful when you're using the hot method. Both work amazingly. Like I'm stunned that look at this one and look at this one. This one there's more volume, but I think it's because of the colder air, but it doesn't make sense. Like normally hot air would create more of a curl as compared to cold air, but I don't really know what's actually happened here. But both of them have 2 coats. Both of them look amazing. I'm not going to be doing this anymore, but I think you should try it if you don't have a color, but try it for a short period of time. I'm doing this till I invest in a new color, which is going to be this weekend. So till then I'm just going to be doing this, but it's almost the weekend, so yeah. Well, there's literally no need for the lash color. I am stunned with this, that it actually came out so warm. Like it looks like I have done a lash lift. Well, I'm more impressed with this side as compared to this side. I was impressed initially with this side, and then all of a sudden I'm impressed more with this side. So excuse the messy hair and the messy hair situation, but yeah. So with hot air, with cold air. So guys, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out, guys.